Hey guys, this is Chetan from Gizmo Times and you're watching the quick unboxing and hands-on with the Oppo F11 Pro. This is the new flagship from Oppo and it comes with an array of features including the panoramic screen, that is thanks to that rising camera on the top. So this F11 Pro comes with a TFT LTPS display and that has a very wide view, that is thanks to the rising camera on the front that would go up only when you're taking selfies or when you're using the face unlock. So let's talk about this phone. Let's do a quick unboxing and then check out what all comes in the phone itself. So this is the box package of the phone, which looks quite premium already, and it mentions the 6GB plus 64GB storage, RAM and storage, which is the option that it comes with. And this is the Thunder black color, and the major specifications that are given on the back include the 48 megapixel dual rear camera, the VOOC 3.0 flash charge, and also the 16.5-inch panoramic screen. That is one of the major things about this phone. And there is Hyper Boost, which is a system boost technology. Hyper Boost is something that doesn't do only the gaming part or the battery part. It has a complete set of things to do where it takes control of the performance when you're gaming. It increases the efficiency of the battery. It uses AI wherever needed to save the battery and also make the performance better. And that is all under one system called as Hyper Boost, which is powered in this phone. Firstly, as soon as you open the box package, these are the things. First is this cover, but it's not transparent, it's a bit dark. And then these are the different manuals, the instruction manual, the warranty booklet and everything. And after that is the SIM ejector pin. And next is this beautiful phone itself. This is the Oppo's F11 Pro and it has a very beautiful design to start with. The back plate actually looks pretty premium because of how the branding is. It's horizontally placed branding, and also with that sync is the fingerprint sensor and the camera as well towards the top. So it looks premium with that glossy back. And now let's check out the other accessories. First is this VOOC 3.0 flash charge, that's the power adapter, which is quite big and obviously made to give a faster charge to the phone. And next are these two accessories. Firstly, this is the set of earphones with the microphone, and next is this VOOC micro USB cable. So these were the accessories, and this is the smartphone package. So these were the things. Now let's move back to the phone. So this is the Oppo F11 Pro, which looks glossy and premium, and on the front is that panoramic screen, and internally the phone is powered by the famous Helio P70 chipset, which is known to give a very good speed and a very good performance. And here it's the ColorOS 6.0 that is based on Android 9 Pie. So you're getting the latest Android OS with some of those features which enhance the user interface and the user experience. So one of those features is the game space, where you can take advantage of it and make your gaming experience better. There's app split screen as well. There's app management and clone apps. So those are those features in the settings, and you can also enhance the experience by using features such as the gesture features and motion features. If you go to the convenience aid, you see the gesture and motion features where you have the 3-finger screenshot, raise to turn on screen, smart call features as well, and screen of gestures. So these are the things that you can use and enhance the user experience under the ColorOS. And since it's ColorOS 6.0, you have the app drawer, and such changes make the user experience obviously better. Now moving on to one of the main features of this phone, that is the 48 megapixel dual rear camera, where you see a 48 megapixel camera along with a 5 megapixel sensor. And since this comes with the Helio P70 and the AI ultra clear engine, it is said that the camera can actually take advantage of that engine to make the pictures closer to real life. So that is the camera combination on the back, a 48 megapixel camera with a 5 megapixel one for the perfect portrait shots as well. And next is that selfie camera, which you won't see on the front obviously because of that wide display, but the selfie camera comes out from the top, which is that rising camera. It's a 16 megapixel rising camera on the front for selfies and also for the face unlock. We've tried face unlock on this and it works so perfectly, and it doesn't take time at all to actually take out the camera and take it in when you're trying to do the face unlock. There's also this fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone, but I prefer any of them since they both work perfectly. And for the internal specs, along with the Helio P70, there is 6GB of RAM, 64GB storage, and this phone comes with a 4000 mAh of battery with that VOOC 3.0 flash charge. So with the flash charge, you can actually charge the phone within 2 hours. The full charge from 0 to 100 can happen within 2 hours. And there's 4000 mAh battery with that ColorOS optimization done. So you can easily expect this to give over a day's usage. And for the usage that we did, I could get easily over 6 hours of screen on time, which is quite a good thing for a flagship device. So in the camera application, what you see are the options for the photo, video, portrait shot as well. Portrait shot takes advantage of the 5 megapixel rear camera. There's nightscape mode as well. There's panorama mode. Expert mode that lets you change the exposure white balance, autofocus, also the exposure values, and you have the same things for the selfie camera as well. And under the selfie camera, that is the rising camera, You have things like gestures to take photos. You can also touch to take a photo without using the shutter button. You can touch anywhere on the screen, and those are the things where you can also set up the face AI to actually beautify the face. But you can actually thinner your face. You can make your face smaller, the chin smaller. So these are the perfect things that you can do to make your selfies better. And this is something that most of the users would want to do after the photo is captured. But why won't you do that when you are actually getting the things in the camera app itself? So this is all about the Oppo F11 Pro. There's certainly quite a lot that is offered in this phone, but the major points as said were the panoramic screen, the large screen here, and then the rising camera, the 48 MP dual rear camera, and the Hyper Boost technology to actually help you get a better battery life, get a better performance as well, and the ColorOS 6.0 based on Android 9 Pie. So this was all about the Oppo F11 Pro. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmodo for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.